feeling bolder.
Of course, walking the next day is a regular routine, so we have to walk at least 3 miles or 5 miles. That's the minimum walk we always do every time. And here I am. Alone and I don't understand. Ano yun? What's this? Abandoned cars. Rusty. This is something not very nice. Look. Litters everywhere.
Oh no.
Oh my God, that's not right. Okay, I'll just follow you. Honey, look at this. Oh, I think only few people walk here. Or nobody. What's that? Another one. Who's coming in out here? Oh my God, there's so many hurdles. Stream before this one. This is not proper footpath. Look, so many. Seems like nobody walks here. Thank you. Maybe someone here. Oh yeah, thank you. Overgrown and spiky. Yeah, I think it's alright now. Oh, do you want me to hold it? Alright. I think nobody seems to walk here. Look. Finally, we found a proper footpath. That's two dogs. I think we need to train the dogs.
If we go a bit further,
Yeah.
we come to this no temple place.
Okay, that's a pub, yeah? This one. Is it alright then? Okay. I'm okay. Why? How do you feel? Huh? You're wobbly? Your knees? Always like that. I'm okay. If I dance rock and roll, ask me to dance now, I can do it. Stan asked me how you feeling. Maybe got shaky knees like yesterday. I'm okay. I can still dance. Sabi ko nga rock and roll. Oh, what is that? Energy house? Let's investigate. It's closed. There must be some window. Oh, it's not a house, no window. So where are we now? I think we are already in Wales. And the thing is, I cannot read this sign. Can you read it? These are signs written in Welsh language. I really find it hard to read these words. Look at that, can you read it? We can stop here. Look. Bench is waiting for us. Oh wow! Look at that! Parang castle but it's only small one. Designed like a castle. Lalaki ng langgam dito. Saan na yun? Yun! Yun! Yun no? 1 centimeter. Yun! Oh, yan no? Ang laki niyan. Yan. Ganda. What is that? Is it a small beautiful house again or a temple? Looks like a temple to me. Go up here. Okay, I don't have to use this. I don't have to. This is the Kaimin. Oh, the naval temple was erected 1800. Yeah, just read it. I'll show you. Ah. Okay, I'll read it for you. It's the Princess Margaret, Countess of Snowdon. Alright, let's go to other side. Oh, Stan is reading something.
Always been fighting somebody.
British people always want to involve in war or in trouble. Troublemaker. Because you are best friend of America. You want to conquer the world. I'm just joking. What's that? At last, we're coming back from Filed My Walk today. Mga 2 hours kami naglakad. At heto na, yun ang aming tent. Ayun. Alright, coming back. Papasok na ako sa tent namin. Nagutom na ang beauty. Na-melt na, beauty pa. Na-melt na. My beauty is melting and I'm sweating a lot. Ang bango pala nito. Sweet smelling flower. Honey, can you make me a cup of coffee please again? And then I'll have this Broadstone Camping Park. They got 3 little lakes here. This one in front of me. The other one there. And the other one there. And then so many picnic tables here where you can... The second bench looks interesting. Where Stan is sitting. Diba? Ayan, that's the reception area. Oh, it's a beautiful place. It's just the border of England and Wales. And you can see from here the hills. Right there, when you go in there to the bridle way is a forest. So if you love camping, I highly recommend this place to you. And you know what? This is the place to be. And then if you want to burn something during the winter camping, that one. And this one looks like they neglected the bench. Benches all around the lake area. This is only our second day. Tomorrow we're going back to Gloucester. This is a bigger one. Alright, somebody in there. Oh, perfect. That's my beautiful shadow again. Bye-bye. And the first to see, of course, is the church. That's the church. Ito kami sa Monmouth. We're going to town center. This is the shortcut. That's the church. Ganda naman dito. So nice here. Church open to visitors, honey. Do you wanna go in? Open to visitors. Pool. Ayan, oh. May malaking organ sila, no? You can make donation there, honey, if you want. No, just pay it by card. Ganda.
Nang ikaw ay aking nakilala, O Jesus na aking Diyos, sa'yo ko lang natagpuan ang saya at ligaya. Sa tuwing ako ay nalulumbay, lugmok sa dusa't problema, sambitin ko lang ang pangalan mo, binigyan mo ng pag-asa. Sa pangalan mo, Jesus, ay may kapangyarihan. Sa pangalan mo, Jesus, ay may kagalingan. Kailan may di mo ako pinabayaan, basta tumawag at lumapit sa Kanya, ika'y bibigyan niya ng pag-asa.
Dito kami sa Little Park. Naghihirap na kami ni Estaneto na kinakain namin nuts. Nut mix. Wala, pupunta lang kami Lidl mamaya. Kaya nga lang is na really, yung parang napabayaan yung park. Yung mga kalat-kalat niya. Ngayon, ito pa the bus. Oh my God. I don't want that. Maganda sana tong park. Napabayaan lang. Are we still in Monmouth?
Sa pangalan mo, Jesus, ay may kapangyarihan. Sa pangalan mo, Jesus, ay may kagalingan. Kailan may di mo ako pinabayaan, basta tumawag at lumapit.
Honey, cheers! For a lovely weather.
Sa pangalan mo.
Yeah. Ay, picnic muna kami mga kababe. Wala nang halian. Pagod na ako, inaantok ako. Sarap dito lang ko sa damo nakaupo. Ang init kasi. Sa labas kami ng tent. Yung mga pagkain namin. Ayan. Magluto si Stan. Honey, give me wine. This is my wine. Oh. Honey, cheers. For a lovely weather.
Yeah, it's just wrong.
Yeah.